So now we will modify the app that I can select the customer from a list and also the vehicle ID of that customer and the repair ID that I want to document. I go to the App Explorer. On the left, you see a number of objects, which are the building blocks of the app. The objects with the horizontal lines are layout containers that position the controls below each other, and the objects with the vertical lines are layout containers that position the controls next to each other. In the example, on the left we see the gallery with the search field, and on the right we have the form of each record with a picture. Here we have vertical container, which contains indented horizontal container, which contains the search area and the gallery. Here on the right we have the container where we have the form, and we want to include another container on that form. To do so, I go to the hierarchy of the controls. And where are we? Okay, to get a better overview, I collapse some of the containers. This is one of the disadvantages, that you sometimes get confused where the controls are located. But the advantage is that the app resizes itself according to the screen, like we saw with the mobile phone or tablet PC. Here we have the main container and the form. And on top of this form, I would like to place another container for the pictures. So I go to input, and here we have all kinds of different controls which are structured by headline. Under layout, I find the containers. There are different containers, and what I want to have is the horizontal container. Now it's already there, but it's not at the position I'd like to have it. So I cut it out and paste it in back again. Now we can see, if I look at the main container, I said insert, and then the new container is below in the hierarchy of the main container, below the form. This is not the position where I want to have it. I want to have it above the form. So I go to new arrange and click on get up, and now it's up there, but it's a little high. So I look at height. Okay, height is I make 50. But it still has the flexible height, so I need to disable that. And now it has the height that I want to have it. Now I need a new control, which is the drop-down box to select customer. Now I take a quick look how it looks. Okay. And I say I want to have it centered vertically, so I click on that. I also want to have a space between the different controls, and I select that. So now we have our first drop-down box, but as you can see, it only shows numbers 1 to 3, but what we want to show is contacts. We go to the drop-down list and look at the items. Items is the property where it takes the data, and we see here drop-down sample.